So hello everybody, welcome back into another how-to tutorial. And today's video, I'll show you how to use Blackbox AI image generator, a super easy tool that turns your ideas into stunning visuals just by typing a prompt. Whether you're designing, storyboarding, or just playing with concepts, this tool is a must try and let's get into it. So first things first, you gotta open your browser and go to blackbox.ai. Then after that, go and click the image tab at the top and just scroll until you find, image generator right here. So you're just gonna find it. So image to app is pretty cool. But by finding image, you can just go here and go to image gen. So we're here on image gen right here. Now here comes the fun part. Let's write your prompt. So in the text box, let's describe exactly what the image we want to look like. So let's say I'm just gonna copy paste this pre-made one. So a cyberpunk city at night, flying cars, neon lights, high detail, wide angle, realistic. Then we're just gonna press OK. So if you want, be specific with the style and mood. Include adjectives like dark, dreamy, or vintage, and you can add specified camera angles or lighting. So as you see here, here is our black box like image. We can go and like tweak it more, and just like fine tune this a little bit better. So set your style or parameters. Depending on the version, you might be able to choose styles like anime realistic, but this one's just pure text, so that's pretty cool. So once our prompt is ready, and we just send it, we can just redo it again right here. That's pretty cool. Let's ask it to make the cars flying right here. So we're just gonna say make the cars flying. Okay, so it does need a little bit of refining. So, if you like the results, you just like, right click download if you like this one already. So, if you don't like this one, so I think we can regenerate this again. So let's try and reprompt this, and we can just like fine. So we can just regenerate this if you don't like it. So that's pretty cool. You don't have to keep sending the prompt. So yeah, guys, so that's how you regenerate the image if you don't like it. So there we go. Now, some very good use case for this is, this tool is great for thumbnail design, storyboard scenes, quick concept art, social media visuals, or just sparking creativity ideas. And if you don't really like this AI model right here because it's a bit clunky because it's not making the cars actually fly, you can check out some alternatives. So we have Mid Journey is like the best one, I think, because it is paid, so there's no free here. And there's also Adobe Firefly, which is fun fact, very it's free, and also you won't have any licensing issues because they source all of their image generation on Adobe database itself. And you also have Leonardo AI. So you also have Leonardo AI, that's pretty cool. You also have Playground AI, it's pretty good. And my personal favorite is actually Flux.ai. That's my favorite here. Or just Flux itself. This one. This one's my favorite here. Flux.1.Chanel. So I really like this one more. So we can just say this, we can run it here. And it's gonna produce like a really good image. Oh, it's actually the same as actually the same as this one, which is pretty nuts. And yeah, guys, so that's it. That's Blackbox AI image generator. It's a fast and fun way to bring your imagination to life with nothing but words. So try it out. Don't forget to explore the alternatives, find what fits your style best. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and let me know in the comments below which AI generator is your favorite. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.